Good morning, good afternoon. This is Governor Westmore. Tomorrow at the Creative Alliance, we're having a grand opening, the big show. And I'm getting ready to show off the big show. The big show at the Creative Alliance is about Governor Hogan and Scott Shellenberger. The money y'all make off black bodies. Saturday, July the 16th? No, July the 13th. Alright, this is my 10th year doing the big show. And I'm famous for toilets. That's Vanessa, no. That's Asselbrook's toilet. And that's President Trump's toilet. See President Trump? That's President Trump. That's Governor Hogan and Governor Westmore. It's my political soapbox. My political soapbox. That's Jack Young.
I'll see you hide it. It's nice and shiny. You better hide it before I find it.
Yeah, my talking toilet is like Donald Trump. It's gonna be talking shit with Donald Trump or shitting on Shorty. Shorty gonna be shitting on you. That's Mayor O'Malley, Governor O'Malley, Social Security Administration.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the big show featuring Governor Westmore and Shorty, the Traveling Irish Show.
See that? Get Shorty. That's me. You wrote the foreword to this book? Like I said, I'm looking for exoneration. That's Vanessa Attenberry. That's Community in Crisis Town Hall. These are your elected officials. And that's Kathy and Mark and Pat Young, all right? And neither one of them did nothing for me. Racism don't work without black cooperation, but it ain't gonna end without white participation. And you white people have been protecting white supremacy. All right? It's a graduating class. This is Mr. Fields, your lawyer in 2012, all right? To ensure the notice of intent is responded to, I send prior copies of Stephen Janis of Fox 45, Judge Pearson, Tammy Brown, Records of Lake County, Judge Bell, all right? And y'all got this. That's Governor O'Malley. Governor O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Cardin, Mikulski, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Governor Quinn, Eric Holder, CBS, Gayle King, and the CEO of Bank of America. That's Brandon Scott.
Who the hell are you calling a piece of shit?
I'm calling Brandon Scott and Commissioner Worley. Commissioner Harris ain't in police department no more. That means that prosecutorial immunity don't apply to you. This is the Maryland State Board of Elections. We talking about voter suppression. That's Jared Germantes. See that? 2021. That's voter suppression by the Democratic and the Republican Party. And that's President Biden. You worrying about him not being able to talk? Well, just like Richard Nixon, Tricky Dick can go to jail. That's Chuck Grassley of the Judiciary Committee. All right? And that's me. All right? See that? Notarized 2014. Shorty's Barbecue. Dear Mr. President. So we're going to open this book up to show you what's going on. Do you want me to open this book up?
No means no.
Well, we're going to open it anyway. That's a testimony. A testimonial, all right? And these are the supporters of Shorty's. That's my grill. I'm the community cook. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. You feel me? And like I said, I got white people fighting my fight. And they ready to testify on my behalf. Right here, P.O. Box 38. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. That's Patrick Fitzgerald from the Department of Justice. The Department of Justice got this, a handwritten note. And these are the inmates at the Lake County Jail. You feel me? And Marilyn Mosby had this. And she goes on this record that she helps unlawfully detained people or whatever. No, she don't. She didn't do nothing for this. And she had this since 2014. You feel me? That's Marilyn Mosby. And this is a trial I never got in Baltimore County. That's the case number. And she been using her office to block that investigation. Like I said, plantation politics. I put it on the storyboard. See that? 1986. I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the corruption in the courts. Victim, Dwayne G. Davis. Witness, Richard Longmire and Benny Starks. You feel me? And these is my witnesses. Because making a documentary ain't against the law. So Governor Westmore, I need exoneration of the Supreme Court. I got it all documented just for you. That's Ray Lewis and Shorty. Got a story called Shorty. That's Governor Hogan. See the date? 2017. Baltimore, community in crisis. That's President Trump and Congressman Cummings when they was having their spats. And that's their legal mail. Those are the criminal charges. Like I said, this is legal mail. See the green cards? I'm not an immigrant. That's WOLB, TV One, Radio One, Roland Martin, Roland Ascot Martin. The attorney Crump, Ben Crump. That's TJ Smith, Charles Gibson, and Gail King. TJ Smith know all about this. He's going to be my main witness. Like I said, racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Eric Holder, a black man. That's Jane Miller and the I-Team. And y'all didn't report this. FCC violations. That's Johnny Oleski. See that? That's an email. Johnny Oleski. Scott Shellenberger did not only use his powers of office to shield that fraud. It's all revolved around the war on drugs and mass incarceration. Like I said, want to hide something, hide it in a book. These are the supporters of Shorties. 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 And that's Shorty, a champion for justice. You got to stand for something or you're going to fall for anything. That's a testimony on Vital Magazine in 2007. That's Karen York from Job Opportunity Task Force, a testimony about Shorty. All right? I'm the cook in Baltimore. That's Governor O'Malley. And that's my store on Falls Road. I'm out $250 million intellectual property theft. $250 million. And that's the IRS. TV One, Radio One. That's Governor Ehrlich. See who that is? Email 2000 what? That's Johnny Oleski and Chief Hyatt. These are the supporters of Shorties. And that's the state of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis, January 2007. All right? I went home on vacation and came back on probation. I've been charged with terrorism 3 times in 2 different states. That's Ozzie Newsome. That's Ed Mulatello from the Ravens when they won the Super Bowl. These are the supporters of Shorties. And you see who that is? That's Governor Schaefer. So Governor Westmore, this is the master plan. I want exoneration of the Supreme Court. And this is how I'm going to get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the big show featuring Governor Westmore and Shorty, the Traveling Art Show.
Call it potty training politicians. Y'all made me famous for toilets. I'm going to run with that shit. Ask Donald Trump. Ask Donald Trump.
No skid marks here, please. We just cleaned the bowl.
And y'all voted for this shit. Y'all voted for this shit. We're going to end white supremacy in 2024. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor Hogan. I'm not McGrath. Governor Hogan had me taken off the ballot. Governor Hogan did a lot of things. And before the elections, y'all got to do something. That's Asselbrook. What you going to do?